What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda. I travel a lot, and if you have a lot of toiletries you need to take on your trip, you're gonna want one of these. So I've shown you some of the travel packs, the toiletry bags on my channel before, and I've gone through a bunch of them. And what I've realized here is that the key for me is that I need like an extra large, oversized toiletry bag for my travels, and that's because I want everything in them. And I've noticed that some of them are pretty small, so if you're a light traveler, but by the time you put a razor, toothbrush, toothpaste, your hand creams and lotion, suntan lotion, dental floss, cotton swabs, whatever, you need a lot of stuff in here. So I picked this one up. Now I will say, even though this one kind of advertised itself as an XL, it's very small right now, but that's because it's kind of in its compressed travel state. You can see it's really nice, kind of heavy duty nylon. It's got a honeycomb pattern on it. We've got a thin nylon strap up here for grabbing it and carrying it, which is cool. We've got metal hardware for the zippers. And then what we have here, is the logo right there. But then if I flip this open, you'll see that these splay out. And now this zips down in the middle here. And so this is the size of it closed and with everything in it. Now it'll puff out a little bit as you fill it up, but you can see here, you can see how big that is, right? Just like that. So the first thing is the side pockets, which I love because now I can unzip these. I can open these up. Let me show you here. And I can they're kind of tethered here so you don't have things falling out, but if you have your Q-tips or whatever, stuff that you need to quickly access, you can put it right in there. Same on this side. Another pocket on this side. And you've got really easy access to stuff. Now, if I open up this middle compartment here, like it was, what I will show you is that this sucker will hang. So you've got a nice hook up here. This is a metal hook, in fact. Sometimes these are plastic, but now you can hook this on the shower rod or the towel rod in the hotel, and you can have everything right in front of you. So just like that. We also have a mesh pocket up here that's zippered, so you can put some stuff right in there. A smaller mesh pocket right up here, so you can put some smaller things right there. And then we have the big opening here where you can put in just about everything. You can see how many pockets there are to sort stuff. Elastic pockets on the side. And again, all mesh, you can see things, but I love the fact that you can sort things out here. Nice big mesh pocket here, so when it's hanging up, you don't have things falling out. But it's great because now I know some stuff can be over here, and you can just find things really, really quickly and easily. This is also not that expensive. It was one of the cheaper ones. These things can easily go for 30 or 40 bucks, but I picked this one up because it was inexpensive and considered itself XL sized, and so I'm pretty happy with it. If you want to pick this up, I'll put a link to it in the description. Peter Von Panda, out!